Okay, what you're looking at is the grab handle on a 2007 Ram 2500, and the top bolt has cracked through, so it's loose up at the top. And I'm going to show you how to pull this off and put a different one on. You'll want a really small screwdriver to pop those little plastic covers off. And the bolts are 10 millimeter, but they're kind of up there a couple of inches, so you'll need an extension or a deep well socket or something. And use the smallest ratchet that you can find so you don't strip anything when you're putting it back, like a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. After you get the two bolts out, there's only two little clips that you pop loose, and then it pulls right out. Here's the replacement. It looks identical except the bolt hole isn't broken out. You just push it down in there, pop those two clips in there and put those bolts back in there, put the clips on, and you're done. That's it.